While hurrying to get ready for work one morning, Jade stubbed her little toe on the bed frame. The pain! Thinking, oh, it's just my little toe, she went about her normal weekend activities while her toe throbbed. It wasn't until Monday that she learned she'd actually broken that little toe. It's kind of easy to downplay a stubbed toe, assuming the rest of our body can make up for it. But when one part of the body is hurt, the entire body is knocked off its game. Paul compares the body of Christ to the human body in 1 Corinthians chapter 12, emphasizing that we can't just ignore one body part and let other body parts take the focus. All parts of the body are necessary for health. The young, the old, every culture, every race, men and women. And then in verse 21, he writes, "The eye cannot say to the hand, 'I don't need you.' And the head cannot say to the feet, 'I don't need you.'" Take a look at your little toe for a minute. It helps you balance and walk in a healthy manner. You really can't walk normally without it. So think about this. Is there someone or some group of people that you tend to discount in God's body of believers? Might you rethink their importance in your life and your need for what they offer?